Welcome to another episode on Camping Coast channel. Thanks for tuning in and hello 2021. So most of you who follow our channel already know that we run an overlanding expeditions company where we give out self-drive vehicles with rooftop tents and caravans on rent. Today's episode we are doing kayaking at this beautiful location very close to Guwahati called Burniart. पैदल नहीं जाए आ जाओ आप पीछे रहेंगे ऊपर Alright, so we have successfully entered the water from the dam. I'll give you a better look of the place where we are starting from. This is the Burniart Dam and it should be a fun day. In only 5 minutes we have left the dam far behind into open waters now. All of that you see over there are fishes. Let me try to take a closer look. टूटा हुआ नेट है ना,
पर भी फंस सकते हैं। फिल्म तो इतना बड़ा लगा है तो एक्सपेक्टेशन तो बड़ा ही मछली का है। फिल्म का यही स्पॉट है फिशिंग करने का। देखो यहाँ फिश नहीं है
या
ये पील सुनो थोड़ा देर।
in the water for around 25 minutes now, and we have left the dam far behind and we are almost about to reach the spot from where the rapids begin. So we're gonna get out of the boat, scout the place before we try to run these rivers, and safety is the first thing that you should keep in mind while kayaking. So just ensure that you have the right safety gear, you're traveling with somebody who's an expert. David over here has been a kayaking pro for many years and I don't do such trips by myself. I usually go out with him and try to find these beautiful locations where we can do kayaking, and David has found something.
वहाँ कनेक्टेड है रस्सी।
क्योंकि it will be 10 times more difficult to walk than row.
अभी हाई चढ़ रहा है, यही करना पड़ेगा। अच्छा
Rassi.
आई होप निकले।
Hope is not a plan, my friend. ये रैपिड है ना, यहीं पे रख के स्काउट कर दे। Before entering any of these rivers, it's always advisable to scout the place and to scout the place we just go check out the direction in which we. How's it? Fast, very fast.
हाँ ये रनएबल है, बस देखो सेंटर पकड़ना पड़ेगा आपको। इधर दिख रहा है अपना मेरा लेफ्ट में एक छोटा गड्ढा है, वो फ्री लाइन है, तो हमने थोड़ा सा वहाँ चिपका के लाएंगे, पर गड्ढा के ऊपर से
फिर यहाँ पे आएंगे तो ये तो स्ट्रेट
हाँ।
बाहर फेंक देगा। फिर हमको ये तो बहुत छोटा है,
हाँ,
हम
फिर
वहाँ
आगे
पे डालते हैं, ठीक है, फिर पेडल करते हैं आगे।
हाँ यहाँ
So we are currently in the process of moving our kayak to a location from where we can enter this river again and pedal upstream. Across the river we have found this nice sand beach sort of a area, which would be the area where we'll be having our lunch later in the afternoon. And we are carrying almost nothing, so let's see what we can find in the jungle that we'll be crossing right now. Hopefully we'll get some bananas and that would be lunch for today. So yeah. Play. मुश्किल होगा यार, ये कैनपी बहुत वो है।
उधर कैसे एंट्री अकेला सिंगल में रैपिड रन करेंगे ना, तो देखिए फ्लैट पर थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आगे नहीं जाओ, तो आगे जाने आगे लाना।
यहाँ मुश्किल होगा।
विक्टर बिना चप्पल आया, मालूम क्यों?
क्यों?
ऐसी चप्पल है।
ये पूरा एकदम ग्रासलैंड है, सैंड बीच है।
यहाँ कोई तो कुछ बनाया था, देखो
किसी ने कैंपिंग स्पॉट बनाया था अपना।
भाई सैंड मस्त है।
So guys, we have scouted the second rapid and there is a major issue with this. There's another tree log which is blocking the entire access to the river, so we can't come down from there, and then these trees will make it more difficult for us to maneuver. Let me check with David what's the plan. So David, क्या plan है?
देखो, we can run this one, can't run that one, but not the top one.
Right. It seems like it's going to rain. Woo! The water is cold. Wipe your legs once with your hand. So that was our successful scouting trip to Burniart. The battery of the GoPro has become really low now and it's almost about to rain. The weather has changed since we got in here.